Hey, may I tell you, wonder boy there, you know. Tell him say no put him on pan here again, you know. Or else him a... Yo. You know what? Power. Look here, you don't understand the shit house we are going down here right now, you know. Where my name is concerned with container. And me I expect a container. And you gonna tell me the container delay. And you gonna call me and tell me that. Not tell me no foolishness on my head. Nicholas, how much years do I do this? So with the line of communication there, brother, if you make me know what go on. Look here, man. Don't make me have to come up and come boxing in your face now, brother. Nicholas, listen to me. Sort it out. And don't make me have to call you back. Come in, Sullivan's.
Hi, Mr. Wallace.
Look, come here. No bother with the Mr. Wallace thing. Carlton. Come here.
Hi, Carlton.
Good to see you. All bandage come off the head and thing. So,
Yeah.
how the head, how it feel? It hot?
Little bit.
I feel a lump still. Why you lucky, you know? At least you come back with a memory.
You know the one Trevor in? Him not stop one bang it out.
Oh boy. So, what do I owe the pleasure?
Well-
Only one time.
Don't know the thing going on. Check.
Which
Check na sign for the building supplies.
Damn it. Why? I mean, so much things are happening, make me totally forget about that. Alright, I have to come down there, come sign up. By the way, why do you carry the checkbook? Some just sign a bunch of check.
Why? The rush from me have to rush out. You know it go. Hour.
I'm just a check. What about for say?
Okay. Me not get involved in that.
I mean, one blame for late this morning.
So I owe me for blame. Eh? I owe me for blame.
Blame yourself.
You get up and say you look about something to eat. See? Apparently you not eat nothing. And now you reach on the road. At that time that you are gonna tell me say you're hungry. Eh?
Sir, mother forget up and clean the room this morning because Mildred for come and she never reach.
So why you never get up early and deal with it?
Would I get up earlier if you never keep me up the whole of last night into this morning?
Oh, you can't talk them thing in front of Carlton. Now I'm to you.
But are you started?
Done then, no, done now. Done. done.
Order in the court, order in the court. So, Mr. Sullivan, in the case of keeping up this young lady all night, how do you plead?
Guilty. I'm guilty.
Are you my talk to?
No. Miss Camille, let's allow him to say what he has to say.
Guilty with explanation. Let me tell you what really go on. You see,
Wait. Me not really want to hear. It's a joke. You're not going like a real court. Look at man. I'm not bother being a man, you know.
sure.
But you blame me.
Easy, man. You're for bill, man. You must say you would say you want to come on the road with me now.
Oh, look at love. All right.
Carlton. So that's something we should have talked about from with you about. You know.
What happened?
As you can see the place I develop. See? And we're going to need more parking.
Yeah, I know. That crossed my mind a couple of times, but where?
Alright, here a minute I think. The piece of land right there in front of the place. You ever consider to talk to the person who own it to see if we can purchase it from them for Okay, it was Camille's idea.
The truth is, I talked to them people already, you know. And you know, them have no intention to sell, so I don't know.
But There's some other empty lot down the road. Could I see if we could I get one of them, if I even for shuttle the people them to and from to them vehicle whenever.
Well, yeah, it's something to look into, but the truth is that immediate vicinity there, most of them people who not into building up them place are really farming them have them land for. So forget land from them have a parking lot. Me not see it feasible. Most of them want to farm. Maybe we have to go more out on the main or something. That could have probably work. But I understand the concern and we have to look into it.
This is really something we have to think about very fast, you know? Because the locals them are coming enough. The foreigner them come and them come by bus and them leave, and but you don't know. The locals them want all like a weekend off. So a place like that would be nice for them, and them a drive. So
Me hear you. Yeah, but the thing is, originally, my idea was mostly the foreign people. And as I said, them come by, a bus drop them off, a bus pick them up. So the parking wasn't that issue at the time. But now that the place, the popularity has grown, and as I said, the locals are coming, yeah, we really have to go come up with a solution.
Mr. Wallace, Carlton.
Okay.
So I was thinking, right, that you could possibly get a professional photographer to do some shots of the new rooms, because we're doing home improvement, right? And that would be so good for the social media page, as well as a drone to do the overhead shots, because that sells.
Okay, sounds good. I like how we work together. Tag team. The Sullivans.
yeah. Carlton. Tap in. No. I know nothing bad. Well, me have a talk with the lady who run the bar out there. You know, and she da tell me about a full entertainment package.
Yeah, but that not kick off yet. The place still needs some work.
Yeah, but them still have something a go on 1 and 2 night. And what me really like about it have this yard vibe, this Jamaican vibe, where me know say, especially the visitors them from overseas would have like them type of thing there.
Yeah, but I'm not so sure about this.
Yeah, I want you to think about it, man. Because right now, remember say I called we have the farm vibe. And this so them have a community vibe. You know? We think we can come together and deal with something. You understand? Look on it. Them have 3 nights basically where them have things that go on. Them have karaoke, them have games, and them have topless night.
A what?